9 miles IELTS.
You can see my screen back again, right?
Yes.
Okay, that's great. Okay, just see over here. You can see the question, right?
Yes.
Okay, so I'll explain everything from the starting. Okay, so you can have some things could be a repetition for you. Okay. Okay, now
Sure.
see over here. Many people believe that social networking sites. Okay, so whenever you get a question, there are two parts in it. One part is known as background statement, and the second part is known as question statement. Okay.
Mm.
So this is the background statement, and this is the question statement. Okay, question statement could be different. It could be cause solution. It could be agree, disagree, right? Like all the different types. Background statement
Yes.
always tells like what you have to write about, and question statement is the one which defines like like what way you will attempt the things, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so usually we do paraphrasing for the background statement and write a thesis for the question statement, right?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Okay, so let us read the question. Many people believe that social networking sites such as Facebook have had a huge impact on both individuals and society. Okay, when can you see this have had together?
Yeah.
Okay, can you tell me which form of tense it is, like if you have an idea a little bit, like
It
don't
is
yep.
when we want to say a thing which is going in, which has happened in the past and which is going in the present also, we use have had.
Okay, somewhat correct. It is like present perfect form of tense where you want to say that something happened in the past and is like, still in the present there. Like it had was there and it is still having it there. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so we say it have had like the negative impact of the Facebook somewhere started in the past and it is still there right now. Okay. So usually what happens is all the else essays are either in, you can say, like simple present tense or are either in this simple past tense, and students also write their attempt in either simple present or simple past, so this question never arises. And I specifically picked up this question because it is in present perfect, so you need to be careful. Your whole attempt need to be in present perfect.
Mm.
Okay, like you should be constructing more of the sentences of present perfect until you are mentioning about future. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, let us understand the question now. Okay, so how you like okay, I'll take it like from what extent. There are two types in it when we come to the word extent. Okay, one is you can go 50-50. Or you can go 80-20. And there is another type called agree or disagree. Okay, now understand this. Whenever you are just having do you agree or disagree, so you can either go in full agreement or you can go in full disagreement, right? But if you are having the word
Yeah.
extent, so your body paragraphs either it should be one agree and one disagree, or vice versa. You understand vice versa, right?
Yes.
Okay. Then if it is 80-20, you can have two paragraph for agree, one for disagree, or vice versa. Okay with this thing, right?
Yes.
Okay. So that is one thing that you need to follow whenever you are having accent, but that could change with positive, negative, or advantage, disadvantage. So when the questions come like that, so I'll explain it there and then. Sure, right?
Sure.
Okay, cool. Okay, can you take a screenshot here if you want, like, to keep this information, because I need some space down there.
Sure. Taken.
Okay, that's great. Okay, let us move back to the question. So now the question says the Facebook or other social networking sites have had a huge negative impact on both individuals and society. Okay, so when I say negative impact on individuals and society, it means the question is going for both individuals also negative impact and society also negative impact, right? So if I say
Yes.
I agree, it means what? Negative impact for on both.
Yes.
If I say I disagree, it means like positive impact, right?
Yes.
Now if I want to partially agree, so it means what? Negative for individuals.
Yes.
And positive for society, right? So this will be the way of constructing the paragraphs, right? And if I partially disagree, it means the opposite, right? Okay, so the attempt that I have over here with me is partially disagree, where it says like the effect of Facebook is positive for individuals, but it is like kind of negative for society. Okay, because the extent is there, so definitely we are not going in full agreement or full disagreement. So you need to take a partial stand where you can go agree and disagree, or two agree one disagree, or like vice versa. So they are going in one disagree paragraph like positive for individuals, and one agree paragraph that negative for society. Okay,
Okay.
you understand this, right? Like any confusions, anything?
No.
Okay, great. Let's move further. Okay, can you take a screenshot? Like, if you want, I need to remove this.
Sure.
Done, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just a question.
Yes.
When you say partially agree or partially disagree, right?
Yes.
And here on the individual, it is written individual and society, right?
Okay.
So when you partially agree, you won't partially agree that it have a negative impact on both, but it has some advantages too on both. While when you're partially disagree,
Okay, I got it. Where you are hinting at. See, the problem is if you're going, if I go like partially agree and I say that okay, I take it like there are negative impact in agreement paragraph. I take it like yes, there is a negative impact. Okay, I got it. I'll make it a table. You will understand better. Okay, if I half agree, okay. If I agree, it means like first paragraph on agreement, right?
yeah.
So this is BP1, means body paragraph 1, okay, and I'm writing on agreement. And then I need to include one idea of negative impact. Okay, one idea of negative impact for individuals, right? Because you cannot skip anything, then you need second idea of negative impact for society. Okay, and then
Yes.
you need to have BP2 and you disagree. So first idea on and then second idea. You got this right. So yes, you can go
Yeah.
like that, but you cannot skip. Then you need to have one idea specifically for individuals. Then you need to have a specific idea for like second idea for negative impact on the society, right? Then you cannot like make it like this idea less, this idea more. So the good approach
Yeah.
is if you make on disagree like the way they have done disagree and they have just talked about individuals and they told like it is like because it's a student's choice, right? So this is a standard method. You want to go with other one, you make it individuals and you tell the positive impact complete. Okay, and you then make a agree paragraph and you make a society negative impact. That was something I wanted to explain in the rubrics. Like in the rubrics, it says you need to have a central idea within each paragraph. You cannot have a list of ideas.
Yes.
Okay, so you need to have a centralized idea. So when I talk about centralized idea, if I'm taking individual, I'm just talking about positive impact. It helps me to create a central idea. If you can create it with this, like you're good to go. This will not go wrong. Like, see, in IELTS, things are not wrong. There is no specific thing assigned by IELTS like that, right? But you follow rubrics, and then we try and tested some formats with a lot of students over the years, and then we kind of came to some formats which definitely give results. And then we tried and tested with good students, getting 8, 8.5, and then we were sure that yes, this thing works. You got the point, right?
Okay.
Okay, so you wanna take a screenshot here?
Yeah. Take it.
Okay, great. Okay, now starting with the things, now we have a background statement and we will paraphrase. And you will not include any of the hookup lines, okay? So there should be in introduction no hookup line plus no disclosure. Okay, so what is a hookup line? When you start your sentence with something like in this modern or contemporary era of modernization, or if it's an essay about music, music is a soul or food for the soul or some things like that. So you are not allowed to do that because what happens is if you go to some institute or like many of the websites, they are giving these type of hookup lines. So when the students who are not good in English, they also write these type of lines, right? So supposing you crammed up a line like in this contemporary era of modernization and you just gave your sheet, just before your sheet somebody, there was another student who was at a level of 4.5 bands. He started the similar way you started in this contemporary era of modernization, and examiner just gave that student 4.5 bands. Do you think the examiner will now next time reading your same line in the starting will give you 7 bands? No, know, right? Like they understand that that student also learned the same line you, but just because you two were from the same institute, gave the paper on the same day, so you guys are given almost the same responses. You got the point, right? So you can
Yeah.
follow a format, but your response should be totally unique and natural to you. Okay?
Okay.
So avoid having any hookup lines, and this was confirmed. Like we sometimes have webinars or something, and one of like before COVID webinar, because during this COVID there were no webinars exactly that of that good level. There are still weekly trainings, but not that level. And one of the guy called Simon, he was in this an ex-examiner. He kind of confirmed. There were two guys actually, John and Simon, and they confirmed like in India, like on an average day, it was before COVID time. So like almost 20,000 students in whole of the India sit for an IELTS exam when it happens on a Saturday. Okay, and out of that,
Okay.
almost 16 to 17,000 students are writing a same essay. Why? Because they are using the same hookup lines, same these lines like I will put forth my ideas in the upcoming paragraphs, this and that. They are having lines for the conclusion. They are having lines for starting the paragraphs. So like whole of the essay looks similar. There's just one little bit of tweak with the sentences and everything. So you don't do that, okay?
Okay.
And no disclosure means you will not disclose any of your idea into your introduction.
Yeah.
Okay? Okay, let us go with the paraphrasing. So paraphrasing means you will simply paraphrase this. Actually in English, paraphrasing means making the things simpler. But over here, the paraphrasing in IELTS, we actually do to flaunt our skills, okay? We try and make it more attractive. We try and show like, more of our restructuring skills, our how many synonyms we know, right?
Yes.
Okay, see here. Social networking sites, for instance, Facebook. So they picked up here social networking sites such as Facebook. So they made it, for instance, Facebook. And other points because they are restructuring it.
Yes.
Are thought by some. So some people believe, are thought by some. Then to have had will remain same. You remember I told you like whole of the essay will be in the present perfect tense.
Present perfect.
Detrimental effect, a huge negative impact. Then they change it to detrimental effect. Then we were having impact on both individuals with S and society. They change it to
Yes.
on individual people, and change to as well as society, change to society and local communities.
Yes.
Okay, with the paraphrasing, right? Nothing is added,
Yeah.
nothing is removed, and perfectly paraphrased. Okay, then coming on to however, in my opinion, now this is the way they're taking stand. Okay, when however comes, when you are writing in my opinion, you will go naturally always write just in my opinion. But if the first part of the sentence is negating the question, then you will use however. If you see over here, these sites are mainly beneficial to individuals, and the question is saying it is having detrimental effect on individuals. You got the point? It has
Yes.
nothing to do with the second part of the question. If the first part of the question is in tune, if I'm writing while I believe that, or while I agree, or while I believe that there's a negative impact on the individual, then however will not come. Okay with that, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, great. Okay, so see the thesis. However, in my opinion, while I believe that such sites are beneficial to individual, I agree they have had a damaging effect on local communities. Okay, so this is the way we agreed upon starting it, right? To individuals. So whenever you are starting like that, in the very first line, you need to tell the examiner that what this paragraph is about. If it is about English, you write with regards to English, or you can use to commence with, to initiate with, pertaining to, with regards to, you can use any of the connector in the starting, but in the very first line, the starting line, examiner should be knowing about what this paragraph is about. Okay, it should not be like somewhere in between here I got to know, okay, it is about individuals. So this is where there should be a logical organization, right? The second point in that one, cohesion and coherence, it says there should be a logical organization, right?
Yes.
Now this is called introductory connector. Okay, I'll write down for you. Just a second. Let me make this thing above. Okay, so this is an introductory connector. Then we have a topic connecting line. Okay, this line tells what from the topic about individuals you are going to say. So see, the impact that online social media has had on each individual person has clear advantages. So what about individuals you are going to say? You are going to say the impact of online social media on individual person, and it is beneficial, or it is having advantages. You got it, right?
Yes.
Then you start your first idea.
Okay.
Okay, you want to take a screenshot for these two things?
Yeah.
Okay, because I want to make you see something.
Take
Okay,
it.
then there was a third point in lexical resources that says you need to have flexibility in your language. What flexibility actually means, see, if you see over here, social networking sites, then such sites, then online social media, right?
Yes.
And if you see over here, huge negative impact, detrimental effect, damaging effect.
Yeah.
And then if you see individuals with a S, individual people, right? And then individual without S, then individual person.
Yeah.
Can you see that, right? And then we have like have had here, has had, okay? And
Yeah.
then there is a have had here. And in the question also have had.
Yeah.
So you got it, like these small things examiners see, because though you are just writing essay, but this much of the technicality is involved in that. Okay, these are few of the points
Yes.
that I'm just highlighting so that you can be aware like how they're gonna see it, right?
Yes.
Okay, now coming on to the first part, telling the idea. When you write firstly or first and the foremost in any essay, it means there should be secondly in the same paragraph. Okay, because if I'm saying you, I want to tell you one thing, it means there is a second thing also, right?
Yeah.
But if first I want to tell you this thing, it means there is some second thing. That's why I'm saying you first I want to tell you this, then second is this. Okay, so if you're writing firstly or first and the foremost, and you are not writing the second idea in the same paragraph, then that is wrong. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
These things will be more clear in the second paragraph because it is more in a elaborative version. There is a format that like we didn't do rubrics, so I skipped that. In the in the rubrics, in the task achievement, it says you present your idea, you extend your idea, and you support your idea. Okay, so here in the classes I call it like statement of idea, development of idea, and then there should be a support of idea either with or without example. Okay, so here I am having a complex line. It's a little bit complex line, so you need to cop up with me, but in the second paragraph I'll make you these three things more clear. Okay,
Okay.
so I have a statement of idea, people from different countries are brought together. Okay, so this is a statement of idea from the student. Then development, process size such as Facebook, whereas before the development of technology and social networking sites, clubbed with the support, people rarely had the chance to meet or communicate with anyone outside of their immediate circle or community. Okay, so we had statement of idea here. And you can see from firstly till community, it is a single line running. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Okay, and then we have a support here. Okay, then we have a secondly another character. Then Facebook also has social groups that becomes a statement of idea. Then development, which offers individuals a chance to meet and participate in the discussions with the people who share common interest. Okay, now on the second idea, usually it is a student's choice whether they want to give a support line, means a example line or not. Okay, so if you're writing firstly and then you're writing statement, development, support, then you're writing secondly, then again you're writing statement, development. So I believe you can skip the support part for the second idea, not for the first idea.
Okay.
Got the point, right?
Yes.
Okay, you want to take a screenshot here?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Taken.
Great. Okay, things will start same way in a similar fashion for the second paragraph as well. Okay, so if you see here, on the other hand, so when I say on the other hand, okay, it means the first thing I started like with regards to individuals. Now saying on the other hand, it means it's about society now, right? Because only there were two things in the essay. So it is understood.
Yes.
You can write on the contrary, or you can write pertaining to society. It is okay, right? Okay. After introductory connector, what used to come? Topic connecting line, right?
Yes.
Okay, so topic connecting line now telling the same thing. The effect that Facebook and other social networking sites have had on society and local community can only be seen as negative. Okay, one thing I would like you to notice here, just a second. Now, earlier they were writing social networking sites, such sites, then online social media, and they were writing social networking sites. For instance, Facebook. Now they're writing Facebook and other social networking sites. Got it?
Yes.
Now they
Yeah.
were saying like detrimental effect, damaging effect, and like negative effect. Now the student ran out of the words. You can take it like that. He ran out of words. Like I have used, he forgot might be about adverse effect or something. So what he did, see the grammatical points here. He's getting the effect, and then can be seen as negative. Instead of repeating the negative effect again, can you see like how he did split it? So plus points for grammar.
Yeah.
You got the point. Instead of repeating the negative effect like this, he kind of split it and made it like the effect, and at the last can be seen as negative.
Yes.
Got the point, right?
Yes.
Because like over here, if you see for beneficial, the first time they were using beneficial, second time they were using advantages. So somehow they are not repeating the same words anywhere around. Okay.
Okay.
So this is known as having flexibility in the language. Okay, so then we start with our statement of idea. So I'll color differently. So now because the student is not having two ideas in this paragraph, there is no firstly, secondly written. Can you see that, right? So straightforwardly you can start your idea. If it is a single idea, right? So now there are elaborative statements of idea and everything. Rather than individual people taking part in local community, they're instead choosing to take more interest in people online. So that becomes statement of idea. Now comes development. Okay, apart from statement of idea that you can start straight if there is single idea, any sentence in the paragraph should have a connector starting before them. That should tell that what this sentence is going to the previous line. Like this line is going to tell the result of people taking more interest in people online, right? So you will start consequently or as a result. Okay,
Yes.
so consequently the people within the local communities are no longer forming close or supportive relationships. Then comes furthermore, it means you are adding information. Society as a whole is becoming increasingly disjointed and fragmented. Two good words. Disjointed means not together, fragmented means into smaller pieces, right?
Yeah.
As people spend more time online with the people they have never met face to face and who they are unlikely to ever meet in the future. Okay, so that becomes statement of idea. Support can be written with example or without example, and it is not necessary to give those what we say research examples. Okay, because not everyone is a research student. So it is not necessary that you write in a recent research on conducted on this many people. It can be the example of a normal situation. Like mostly people don't get enough pay for the jobs they are doing in the developing countries. You don't need to say in a recent survey conducted by UNO, it was found out that people in the developing countries, you got the point, right? Because not everyone is
Yeah.
always reading the research paper. So I'm saying this because pretty soon you might find in many YouTube videos in the websites that people are claiming like giving research examples are always scoring good. Okay, they're just checking your English. There is no hard and fast rule like that. Okay, so this becomes a statement of idea. Cool, right?
Yes.
Only these things examiners want to have. Now you are having a central idea of society being not together because of the social networking sites. In the first idea, you have individuals became closer together because of social networking sites. Okay?
Yeah.
So there is a format for conclusion. I can type it down here. Okay. One thing, avoid having a pretty word for writing conclusion. You can write to conclude, in conclusion, to sum up. That's it. Don't try to recapitulate in a nutshell. That is going for band deductions. Okay? It looks like you are cramming up the essay from some internet websites. Okay? So one thing is a summary line. What is a summary line? Take it like, have you seen matching the heading? In the
Matching.
listing the headings or matching the heading in the reading, like general readings that you
Yeah.
do. Like for a whole paragraph, you create a small heading, right? Like that tells
Yes.
what this paragraph is about. Similarly, for each paragraph, you will have like 2 points and then you will just weave it into one single line. That's called a summary line. Okay, so always in the summary line there should be a thing for a first paragraph, there should be a thing for the second paragraph, and if there is a third paragraph, that should be also there in a summary line, and it should be just one simple small line. You don't need to have a very big line for that. Okay, you don't need to re-explain everything, just make it into points. Okay,
Okay.
then comes suggestion. So you will give a very simple, very generic suggestion. I'll tell you what's the difference between an idea and a suggestion. In the paragraph, when you give an idea, like if it is about unemployment, you will say government should set up some skill development centers so that youngsters can, like be employed easily or something. But when you give a suggestion, you will say government should do something about the problem of unemployment. You got the difference, right? You will just give a very simple generic suggestion with a future reference that unemployment numbers would soon reduce. So that is a future reference. So that gives a positive ending to your essay. Whatever the essay is about, a negative thing, a crime or something, you always try to have a small suggestion and a future reference. It's also single line combined so that you can give a positive ending to your essay. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, now see the same thing here. Although, okay, whenever you are having a contradictory line, always start with while, although, because this creates a relative clause complex structure. Okay, so you should
Yes.
need to have like relative clause complex structures, subordinate complex structures. You can include first conditional complex structures or zero conditional one. Okay, so these even second conditionals are not allowed, but still I'll try to someday take a class on complex structures, specifically only related to the like IELTS essays. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, now see, although social networking sites have brought individuals closer together, they have not had. So now the first idea was social networking sites have brought individuals closer together. So that was the first central idea here, right?
Yes.
They have not had the same effect on society or local community. Now instead of again writing negative impact, they are not writing not the same effect, right? And can you see
Yeah.
have and had still together? Here also
Yeah.
still together. So these are the things that
Yes.
examiner is going to notice. Then comes the suggestion: local communities should do more to try and involve local people in local activities. If you tell what they should do, that becomes an idea. But if you are saying simply they should do more and try, so that becomes a suggestion. We don't know what they should do. You are just suggesting simply that they should do more something and try and involve local people in local activities, right? In order to promote the future of community life, so that becomes a future reference.
Yes.
Okay, and whenever you are writing future reference, make sure you don't use will, shall, would, and should. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
okay. Just make sure you use may, might, can, and could. Okay, why? Because
Okay.
if you use it will happen, it means you are making a prediction that yes, it will happen like that. But if you say it may happen, or crime figure, sorry, this should be a cross here and this should be a tick here, then you are making a supposition that if government do this, it may happen like that.